Can't play Roblox because it keeps throwing that "please confirm your identity" error at you? Hey folks, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to get rid of this Roblox error from your computer once and for all. So, without wasting any time, let's dive in. Solution 1. First of all, check if the Roblox servers are working fine. To do this, open up status.roblox.com in your favorite browser. Don't worry, I'll leave the link in the video description below. Here, you'll find the status of the Roblox server for PC, mobile, and console. If there's an outage going on, just wait for the Roblox team to fix it. Solution 2. If the servers are okay and you're still getting the error, see if you're connected to a VPN. If you are, disconnect from it. To do this, simply open up Settings, then click on Network and Internet, then on VPN. Now simply click on Disconnect to stop using the VPN. After this, see if the issue is gone. Solution 3. If this doesn't help you either, uninstall Roblox and reinstall it. To uninstall Roblox, simply open up Settings, click on Apps, and then Installed Apps. Now scroll down and find Roblox Player for User. Click on the 3-dot button next to it and select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall again and Roblox will be uninstalled from your computer. Now to reinstall Roblox, go to roblox.com with your favorite browser. Click on any games and hit the play button. Now this window will pop up. Click on Download and install Roblox and it'll start downloading the installer. After the download is finished, open up Roblox Player Installer.exe and it will start installing Roblox on your computer. Once the installation is done, you should be able to play Roblox without this error. So folks, that's how you fix the Roblox "please confirm your identity" error on your computer. If the video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you still have any more questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching!